For my newer kicks, the Kingsland Shoe Project freshflowshoetrees obviously does the job. But what about really old kicks? Can it help restore them to their former glory? Let's find out. 20-year-old beater Sambas would be perfect for this test. As you can see, they've had better days. Let's remove the laces and use our favorite sneaker cleaning agent. Before that, let's prep the kicks by brushing off any loose dirt and vacuuming the inside and outside. Apply some cleaning solution and some elbow grease. Yo, hold up. I remember from watching some reels from the Instagram page of Kingsland Shoe Project that they have sneaker care tutorials too. One of them is to place the shoe tree inside the shoe while brushing to act as a platform so we can evenly brush out the dirt between the creases. Let's give it a quick wipe. Another cool tip I got from their page is to gently pass a medium set hairdryer on the toe box, then use a damp cloth to press on it to smoothen and reshape the toe box. This time the shoe tree acts like an ironing board. Let's give this kicks time to dry and compare them with the left pair. Holy smokes, that's amazing! Just look at the huge difference in the toe box. Wow, I am sold! The Kingsland Shoe Project freshflowshoetrees have literally brought my Sambas back to life and into the rotation. Grab a fresh pair of Airflow shoetrees now at kingslandshoeproject.com and add them on Instagram for some amazing content and sneaker care tips.